Hey guys, this is Randomize here, so I'm gonna press play, and today I'm going to Randomize Adventures.
Oh, guest.
Ouch. And this is the guest.
Sa lobby na lang mo.
And this is my guest, but they don't have Minecraft. So
I do have mine.
oh yeah, this is my neighbor. I'm at school. This is Calista.
Hello.
This is JC,
The president.
the president inside the class. And this is Duke. Yes, and they
The vice president in
yes.
Yeah, no, he did it.
Come on. Wait. Oh yeah. What do you pick, guys? I should make a pants, helmet, boots, or weapon?
I would say weapon. I would say armor. Yeah, I would say armor too.
Armor and weapon.
No, you can do that once. You can. Oh my G, how long is that?
Wait. I'm gonna make your rose red. There. This one, or this one?
I want to
make the iron sword.
No, the better is this. Yeah.
Iron dragon?
Yeah.
No, that's all of the iron.
I did find
How
the
about
helmet.
boots? How about-
the helmet? Yeah, the helmet. It's more.
Wait. 5,
6, 7.
You get 2. I have 2, so I'll make.
You can get the iron sword. There. we
Okay,
go.
thanks guys for choosing.
No, wear your armor.
Oh my god!
He showed me his skin before, but it was Steve.
Oh, I know how to make. I know how to get skin. So guys,
Me too, I know.
I'm getting out of here and kill some zombies or spiders or something.
How do you change this?
Yeah, it's a secret.
Just a secret. I already know the Just download MCPE Master. Hey, secret!
Or maybe no block launcher. It's really easy.
Come on. I have a cheat. I wanna find the temple. I wanna find a temple.
This is MCPE. If you can't find a temple, this is MCPE.
Minecraft.
My neighbor don't have MCPE.
Only I have MCPE Master.
but-
I got MCPE. I got even a skin of Steve.
But she has the Xbox Minecraft.
Me too. I have it. JC, don't
You don't even know.
even need to say JC. We already know about that.
This is my classmate. This is so cool. This is so cool.
Can I please have a try?
Okay, just be careful. Don't kill yourself. If you saw a zombie or a spider,
I know how to
switch to me.
I know how to kill a zombie.
Are you sure? Maybe you'll die.
I am just a do parkour. Don't even think about saying parkour because I don't like parkour. I know how to do. I know.
Smallest to biggest.
Please parkour.
Parkour.
Please. Pig.
This is a video.
Ouch. I hurt myself. Over the arm. Because I want the pig.
What? Then give it to me.
I want the pig.
If you'll die,
I need the pig.
you only have hunger food. Who's playing that? You have to use your sword.
Hi.
He's running. Wait.
I'm gonna kick your butt. What, please?
There's no pork.
Nah! I want the pork! Please!
Look, this is a seed. Ooh, already cut tree. I didn't cut this, I promise.
Is that the village, please? Please, village. I want to find the village. Please.
We'll get lost and I can't find my home.
Then you live in the village.
I don't have a bed. But there is already
Pig.
But they don't want to kill the pig, the baby pig.
Don't you have the... Just kill the mama.
I almost killed.
Don't kill... It's near. Don't kill the pig. No. Don't kill the... The baby pig is near.
Now the baby pig is alone now.
No, he is gonna survive himself.
It's a she.
It's a he.
It's a she.
It's a she.
It's a she.
It's a she. Fine, she.
It's a he.
Can I go right here? Can I please use this for a second? Please Study.
I know where
Study
the
get
home.
sugar, get sugar. Please. Get sugar. Hey, I'll give you one server.
I will post this in the,
Bawal mag-inom.
Come on.
come on.
Please, parkour.
I will post this in the YouTube.
What? Are you making a bed?
Yes, I know how to post this in
JB, you
YouTube.
need to let me. You need to
You're
let
a
me see your.
YouTuber?
Yeah, he is.
Actually, I'm not real YouTuber, but I don't have subscribers yet.
yes. But he's a YouTuber. What is your name in YouTube?
Nicole Castillion, because I used my ate's profile.
Come on, I need.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video because this is a madness.
Okay. Can we just play?
Okay, bye.
Bye.